हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल। और आज हम भाविका के साथ इन एनिमल्स के साथ खेलेंगे और खेलते खेलते हम सीखेंगे एनिमल्स एंड देयर यंग वंस। हेलो भाविका, हाउ आर यू? तो आज हम कौन सा गेम खेलेंगे?
आज हम एनिमल्स के साथ खेलेंगे।
ओके, एनिमल्स के साथ खेलेंगे। तो आप भाविका मेरे को सबसे पहले hen उठाओ। Where is hen? And what is the young one of hen? Young what? Chick. Very nice. Now, where is pig? Pick up pig. Pig. Who is the young one of pig? Pig. Piglet. Wow. Okay. Now, find out lion. Where is lion? Show me. दिखाओ मम्मा को. Oh. Who is the young one of lion? Young one of lion? Young. What? Oh, very nice. Bhavika, pick up frog. Okay, young one of frog is? Okay, tadpole. Okay, where is rabbit? Rabbit. Young one of rabbit is? Gulabi. Young one of rabbit is? What? Okay. Okay. Oh, okay. Young one of cow is? Okay. Cow. Where is cat? Okay. Who is the young one of cat? अरे वाह. अच्छा, where is dog? Dog. And the young one of dog is? Puppy. Very nice. Where is sheep? Young one of sheep is? Lamb. अरे वाह. ओह, ऐसे बोलती है sheep. अरे वाह वाह. अच्छा, where is duck? Duck. Yes, this one. And the young one of duck is? The young one of duck is? Young one of duck is? Duckling. Very nice. Okay. Where is goat? This is duckling. Okay. Show me where. Oh, this is also duckling. Goat. Where is goat? Yes. And the young one of goat is? Young one of goat is? Kid. Okay. Okay, tell me. Owl. Young one of owl is? Owlet. Wow. And young one of bear is? Bear. It is tiger. And the young one of tiger is? अच्छा, बाघ है ये. Young one of tiger is? Okay, cow.